There are two different points in the body through which one can project one's life energies outward when you're sleeping. Well, if you use your Agna and push it out 18 to 21 inches, you will have an equilateral triangle with sides, all the three sides being approximately 24 inches. So if you're here, this will be 12 inches here and 12 inches above. If you manage to push this approximately, let's say not 21 inches, you pushed it 9 inches, then what happens to you is, you will have relief from constant unnecessary mental activity. This is what a whole lot of people in the world are saying are the benefits of meditation, that their mental activity has come down, they're feeling a little more peaceful and they're a little better human beings. If you manage to push this, let's say 12 inches, very easily you access the intentions of all the people who are connected with you, particularly if they're blood-related. You can very easily know their intents and their minds effortlessly without trying to read their minds, simply like that. If you push this out 15 inches, you will know of significant events anywhere that's happening, major shifts that happen in this planet or in this planetary system, you will know. It is from this that you will see many yogis and sages and seers predicted that at this time a comet will happen. A major comet will happen which can cause this kind of influence over the planet. Like this they have said in the past, and it's happened exactly at those times because they saw it coming, not with a telescope or something. In their energies they saw it's coming. If you push this 18 inches, all that's worth knowing you can access. It's a little like going to a library and reading up a bit, but you have access to all that's worth knowing. If you push it full 21 inches and it stays there, then your consciousness becomes cosmic and can facilitate liberation or what is now generally known as Mahasamadhi. If you can hold it up at 21 inches away from your Agna, this will open up slowly. As it opens up, life and leaving the body becomes an entirely conscious process.